Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Astral Hook Rod. This guide will walk you through each necessary step, ensuring you can craft this exceptional item. We will cover everything from gathering the unique components to the final assembly. With this rod, your fishing adventures will become much more rewarding, allowing you to reel in even the most elusive aquatic treasures. Let's dive right into the details. To begin crafting, you will need several key materials. First, gather 25 astral bars which drop from celestial-themed foes in the late game. Next, collect 10 fallen stars found on the surface during nighttime hours. You will also need 5 ectoplasm, obtained from dungeon spirits after defeating the dungeon guardian. Finally, secure 1 golden fishing rod, often found in rare chests or as a quest reward. Once you have all your materials, head to a suitable crafting station. You will need either a mithril anvil or an orichalcum anvil to proceed. Make sure all 25 astral bars, 10 fallen stars, 5 ectoplasm, and your 1 golden fishing rod are in your inventory. Open the crafting interface at the anvil, locate the Astral Hook Rod recipe, and then simply craft it. It's a straightforward process once you have everything ready. Congratulations on crafting your Astral Hook Rod. This powerful tool offers a substantial boost to your fishing power, making it much easier to reel in rare and valuable catches. You will notice a significant improvement in your success rate, allowing you to discover new aquatic life and access previously challenging fishing areas. Get ready to explore the depths and fill your inventory with extraordinary finds, making every fishing trip a true adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.